Hello, my name is MD Anasur Rahman Jihad. I am 22 years old. I am from Bhola. Now I live in Dhaka. I have completed my SSC from Bhola Govt School with 3.94 and HSC from Dhanmondi Ideal College with 4.25. Now I am second year Media Studies and Journalism student at University of Liberal Arts, Bangladesh. Over the year, I have developed expertise in MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Adobe Photoshop. Also, I have completed a graphics design course. Currently, I am the Deputy Event Manager of Shutterbugs ULab, where I actively organized photography-related event and workshop. Also, Deputy Head of Social Media of Tresson Show. Beyond event management, I have a deep interest in photography and video editing, which help me capture and present moment creatively. I believe my skill and passion make me a strong fit for the role of an organizer in your company. Thank you for your time. If you are interested, please feel free to contact me at my email or phone number.